Welkom terug maats, vandag gaan ons 'n nuwe klank leer. O. Welcome back everybody, today we're going to learn a new sound in Afrikaans. O. O. Now repeat each word after me. Koor. Yes, that is a choir. Oop. Yes, it's open. Roos. It's a rose. Toon. Toe. Foon. Yes, it is a phone. Oor. It's an ear. Boer. Draw. Kroon. Crown. Groot. Big. Room. It is cream. Rook. Smoke. Well done. Now repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woord na my. Foon. Roos. Toon. Oop. Koor. Kroon. Groot. Boer. Baie mooi maats, well done everybody. Kom ons kyk nou of ons nog 'n paar o-woorde kan leer. Is julle gereed? Kom ons begin. Repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woordjie na my. Boom. It is a tree. Oom. That means uncle. Koop. Buy. Room. It is cream. Kook. That means to cook. Boon. It is a bean. Kool. Cabbage. Boot. It's a boat. Brood. That's bread. Oog. It is an eye. Stoom. Steam. Ai, maar julle is baie slim. Well done everybody. Let's see how you do the next activity. Are you ready? Lees die woorde, read the words. Well done. Now let's see if you can read a bit faster. Kom ons kyk of jy vinniger kan lees. Well done, everybody. You did a fantastic job. Next time we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and be good.